Yes, good evening, everyone. I hope you are able to hear me and you are able to watch my screen.
Yes.
Thank you. Thanks for everyone who has connected for this Oracle Fusion Cloud HCM demos. Let me introduce myself before we start introduction. We are going to have 3 demo sessions today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow. Okay. So today we'll be discussing right from the basics. What is cloud? What is Oracle Cloud and Human Capital Management? How about the latest versions in the cloud applications with artificial intelligence and where exactly we use AI? This all we'll be discussing today. And then tomorrow and day after tomorrow, I'm going to do the real-time setups, assignments, configurations, and testing so that you will be very clear what exactly we have to do in the project in the real time, what exactly we have to work. And you will also have an idea when I do practically couple of assignments. You'll come to know whether you will be able to perform those setups, configurations, and testing. Right. So that's the reason we are going to have 3 demo sessions. After that, the regular classes will be starting from Thursday, same time, 7 p.m. IST to 8 p.m. IST. The course comes for 2 months. And what are the different placement options and all we'll be discussing on third demo. In third demo, we'll be discussing about all that. Okay. So now we are going for this first demo.
Sir, sorry for the interrupt. Uh, yeah, actually, I have joined late. I have one query. Like this 2 months is for complete HCM training or else for only Redwood and also AI agents?
It is complete human capital management where we will be working with the Redwood and AI. I'll be explaining that end of this demo session, you will come to know what exactly we are going to discuss about Redwood and AI both.
Okay, in this HCM course only, like you will explain the Redwood and also AI agents, right?
Yes, exactly. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Fine. So before we go for an introduction, before we start discussion, I just wanted to introduce myself as a trainer. Myself, this is Chandramohan. I have total 21 years of experience in Oracle Cloud ERP technologies. We started career in 2004 and still we are working with multiple clients. Total 21 years of experience in Oracle ERP technologies and exclusively 10 years focusing experience in Oracle Fusion Cloud. When Oracle Fusion Cloud started in 2015, from that year itself, we started working. So last 10 years exclusively we are into Fusion HCM development, training, as well as in the placement. We are expert in Oracle Fusion Cloud HCM with artificial intelligence last 4-5 months. Last 4-5 months back, we started working with AI, artificial intelligence in HCM, which is very important because nowadays when we go for an interview, they will be asking you, do you have the idea what are the AI features introduced by Oracle in human capital management? Do you know how it can be implemented? In case you want to create a new agents, AI agents, do you know how to do that? How to migrate it? How will you, convince your client for usage or development or customizations? This is very important when we are applying as experienced consultant. So it's part of our RTL. Yeah. And we are expert in the training as well as in the placement. It's not just training. RTL is not just only training. That's why if we look at our name also, RTL Online Trainings and Placements. We provide the best training in the industry. If you want to get a placement yourself, We are ready to help you. If you say, I'm not able to get placed, I'm not able to clear the interviews myself, then we are ready to place you. So choice is yours. So we are not just a training institution like other. Okay. We are in the training and placements. Daily 10 to 12 interviews will be conducting, both mock interviews as well as real interviews. End of the day, we'll come to know 40, 50 interview questions what the people are asking in the industry, and we'll be training them. We have separate people. Okay. How we do the placement process also, I'll explain in the third demo. Okay. Yeah. So we are expert in the training and placement, curriculum designing, execution, and all. Here it is. And we have total 45,000 YouTube followers exclusively Oracle Fusion Cloud, not other technologies. And 30,000 students I have got in Udemy. Let me show you practically. In Udemy also my courses has got published. If you go to Udemy, and search for Oracle Fusion Cloud HCM, you will find author Chandramohan. And this is 25,540. It comes around 30,000 actually, because it's not counting the people with 4.5 instructor rating. With 7,000 reviews, as a trainer, this is the rating which we got it for RTL Online Training. Okay. So that's the Udemy count. And placed 1,000 students in Cloud Fusion HCM. We have almost across the India, every company we got our candidate who has got trained from us. Almost in all HCM roles, we got placed, we got candidate. Okay. So we have separate strategies we will follow for the placements. The only thing is you need to follow. Of course, end of the day, if you do not follow, even we also cannot place you, right? I don't want to tell the lies. We'll tell very frankly what we are going to do. If you are ready to follow those instructions, definitely you will get placed. 100%, no doubt. So this is my strength. This is my strength, which I have shown you practically. 45,000 YouTube followers, 30,000 students. It's from Udemy, and 1,000 students we got placement. Here it is. And we delivered multiple corporate trainings, around 10 CMM level 5 companies. We placed across the level 5 companies. Even in the startups, we have very good tie-ups for the trained freshers. And as I said, this course is for both freshers as well as for the experienced people. But even though if you say fresher, they definitely expect the subject, because the startups are not ready to take the fresher. They are looking for trained fresher. Trained fresher is nothing but that guy has got a very good subject, but he cannot claim that I am experienced because he passed out 25 or 2024. So he cannot claim the experience on the profile, but he is equal to the experienced consultant, whoever is trying in the market. So we call them as trained freshers. Obviously, nothing wrong to be perfect and look for the opportunity in the best technology in the world right now. Okay. So that program also we have designed, placement program for both freshers as well as for the experienced. Okay. So that's a brief introduction about myself as a trainer. Okay. So now I'm going to start with first very basic thing, maybe 10 minutes. Experienced people will get some little bit boring, but after that, no problem. We will be discussing very in-depth level. So first we'll discuss what is cloud. What is meant by cloud? Anyone having idea what is cloud? What is cloud?
Without installation, we can do it like on system itself, like on demand. Like previously, we are using like on premise, no? Like pre-installation, and after that, we'll work on the software. But right now, without installation only, we can work on software and application.
Okay. So you mean to say that it's indirectly server, right? Indirectly server,
Yes,
which has got
without
already installation and everything. Yeah, that's
by
fine.
using the credential itself, we can log into the application and we can work on the
Yeah,
we can configure the things. That is
yeah,
called cloud. Like Google Cloud, AWS Cloud is there, no? Like
yeah. We'll be discussing that next level. Yeah. So basically, cloud is nothing but a virtual server. Virtual server. Why we required cloud? Why the companies are looking for the cloud? What is the reason? What is the reason behind that? Let's say my client is Xerox Corporation. My client is Xerox Corporation. They got business in India and US and UK. In India, around 20 branches, US around 10 branches, UK around 5 branches. Total 35 branches they have. And almost every branch they have around 100 members, almost in every branch, 100 or on an average. Okay. So total they got 4,000 employees. 4,000 employees. Day to day, these employees are coming to office. They'll buy the material. They sell the material. They transfer the goods, employee attendance, salaries, leaves, performance, all these operations. They pay the taxes. They collect the tax. Okay. And they perform the interest rates and they give the discounts. Day to day business transactions, whatever they do for this client, for this business, whatever they do, they are using the software. So all 4,000 employees every day they come to office, they log into the applications, software applications, and they enter the data. Earlier they used to maintain the server. They used to maintain the server. Every day, some thousands of transactions they will do it. All this data, millions of records every week or every month, it's getting stored in the server. So they will maintain their own server. They used to have their DBS 24 by 7. They used to have their network team 24 by 7. They used to have admin and security team 24 by 7. And then they used to have software development team also. That's the IT infrastructure earlier. That's the IT infrastructure for the client to maintain their entire business across the world. Okay. So what companies has thought that I'm doing some manufacturing business. I do some manufacturing products. I sell that products to my customers, collect the amount from them. I'm doing some different business, but it's getting headache for me. It's getting headache for me because I need to maintain separate IT team. And it's almost like I'm running another business. I have to maintain complete IT infrastructure. Okay. So to remove this headache, even the cost wise, security wise, and maintenance wise, whatever the way, if we look at, the client is getting a lot of burden on this maintenances, maintaining their own servers. That's why the what companies has thought is they started providing the cloud services to customers. Whatever the server you are maintaining, close, shut down that server, move all your applications to my servers. Move all your applications, whatever the softwares you are using, completely move into my servers and start using. Okay, I'll move into your server. How I can connect? Through internet. Through internet, we will be connecting. Through internet, we are going to connect. How we are going to connect to YouTube? How I'm connecting to Udemy? Same thing, YouTube, right? This all content I am able to access, right? I'm able to access all this content through internet only, right? I don't know where the YouTube servers are there. I'm just entering the URL and I'm just going to connect. Same way, what cloud companies are telling is we take care of your server. 24/7 will take care of the server up always, and we take care of no network issues and administration part as well as the security. Only you have to maintain software develop. Your software engineers needs to work according to your requirement. Remaining risk will take care. Don't worry. You just pay the maintenance to us. That's the advantage, major advantage of the cloud. So now client is completely free. No need to worry about the server up and downtime. No need to worry about the network issues. No need to worry about the cyber attacks. Everything will be taken by the cloud companies. That's the advantage of the cloud. Many companies earlier, they were feeling that even though cloud introduced in 2009, 10, 15 years back, but earlier clients were worrying, oh, if I keep my data in my server, then I am safe because data is with me. But if I am going to keep my data with your servers, then I don't know what will happen. So I'm not that much flexible like that. But last 10, 15 years, cloud companies has provided the excellent services with a high security, with the transparency. So then clients have started thinking, let's use the cloud options, right? What are the different cloud companies are there? We have AWS, Amazon Web Services. We have Microsoft Azure, Microsoft Azure. We have GCP, Google Cloud, Google Cloud. Then we have Oracle Cloud. Top companies, top cloud companies we have. So what this cloud companies has done is they established data centers across the world. They established data centers across the world. You might heard recently in Vizag, we are going to get a Google data center. Already in Hyderabad, we have Oracle data center, Amazon data center, Microsoft data center is there. Mumbai, we have already. Okay. So what this data centers is basically like this, there are number of customers across the world who are not able to maintain their own servers. So what the clients are asking, why don't you take our risk and we are ready to pay the money? Okay. So in this data centers, these companies 24/7, they implemented cloud computing technology. They will make sure that no network issues, no security issues, no application, other cookies or any other related issues. They will make sure that your softwares are always running 24/7. Then you can just have to maintain only your software team. If you are using Oracle softwares, use maintain Oracle. You are using DevOps, then use DevOps team. Like that you have to maintain. So nowadays the clients has moved into the almost they started moving into the different data centers. Why these data centers are established in multiple places is, for example, ICICI Bank is there. So ICICI Bank is purely Indian banking system, Indian client, right? They have business in India only. Maybe other countries, some operations, but majorly India. Majorly India. They have some lakhs of customers, thousands of employees, hundreds of branches across the India to maintain their day-to-day business transactions, either deposits or withdrawals or loans or whatever day-to-day transactions. They decided to use the cloud. They are already using some servers, but they decided to use the cloud. If any cloud company says that, for example, if Oracle goes to ICICI Bank saying that we got a data center in California, why don't you use our data centers? Because in California, we got excellent IT infrastructure. In our data centers, we use high-end security and top-level supercomputers, high-end configuration to provide the best service and fast application access to you. ICICI will say that I'm running in business in India, but you are telling that your servers are located in California, but I'm not interested due to security reasons or the organizations has got some policies. If you establish your data center in India, I'm very much interested. You establish in Bangalore, Mumbai, Hyderabad, no problem. Anywhere in India, I'm ready. I'm ready to take up. It's very common requirement from the clients. It's very common requirement from the client end saying that if your data center is located in our country, in our legislation, we are ready to take. That's why the companies have started establishing the data centers across the world. As AWS has got around 45, Azure around 42, I think, and Google also has got around 39. Oracle is in 40 plus. What Oracle recently has informed around 6 months back, obviously these three are competitors who has got around 120 data centers across the world. Oracle said next 2 years, whatever the count our competitors are having data centers, we will have those many data centers. It means indirectly those many clients data we are going to maintain, those many clients applications we are maintaining in our data center. That's what Oracle has given the commitment. And they started using the NVIDIA AI chips. If you use any of this particular cloud, there will be a normal cloud and there will be AI cloud. But in Oracle, after 2 years, everything is AI cloud chips. No question of its normal server and its AI servers. It's everything is AI. They have an agreement with NVIDIA. They said that every data center is integrated with AI chips for better projects and big data, data science projects and execution and all. Obviously, you need AI chips, right? Because millions of records, data, you are supposed to process in seconds and try to generate the output, right? That time obviously required. Okay. So this cloud companies has given the offer to the customers saying that you can shut down your server, you can lift your complete IT infrastructure from your server to our servers because we established data centers across the world. Very cheap price. You never heard. Like for example, if you are getting $100 per month expenditure here, then here just $20 per month. It's same configuration, same testing. It's as simple as 80% of your expenditure is going to be covered. That's the major advantage with the cloud. Many companies are moving into like that. Some clients will put some 50% of data in the cloud, and 50%, of course, they maintain their servers also. That's what we call it as hybrid cloud. Hybrid means, for example, ICICI Bank is there. I don't give my customer data. Let me keep my customer data with my servers only, but my customer inquiries data, loans information, and other transactions, my employees' data. I have 40,000 employees. Employee leaves, employee salaries, employee promotions, employee performance, employee time sheets, employee benefits. This is all information. Okay, I'll use the cloud. So like that, it's up to the client whether they want to completely shut down their server and move to cloud, or they can go for integrate their server with the cloud. It's up to the client requirement. Oracle established two data centers in India. In 2020, it was in Mumbai. In 2022, in Hyderabad, two data centers are established. Now, almost every country, they got a data centers across the world. So that's the advantage of the cloud. That's why the top cloud companies has come into the picture. When we talk about what is mean by Oracle Cloud, what is mean by Oracle Cloud? Is cloud means only server? It's almost like whatever I explained so far. I am just telling instead of buying your server by paying 3 crores, just pay 5 lakhs and use my servers. Same server, same configuration. Only URL will be different. Instead of your URL, just my server URLs will be there. That's the difference. So do you want to put 3 crores investment on your server, or you just pay 5 lakhs and use the same server? Which one is better? So the reason companies have started using. That is one of the major advantage. But some customers, I don't care about investing the money. Then how we can attract them? We need to have an excellent tools and products in our cloud. And we have to tell them, if you are a part of my cloud, then only you can use this tool. If you are not part of this, then you cannot. For example, you go for gated community. Within the gated community, you will have amenities, swimming pool, clubhouses, walking steps, okay, gym, relaxing areas, supermarket, security, 24 by 7. Like this, lot of amenities will be there. If you that is not accessible to outside, if you are a part of that community, then you can use it. Maybe you can buy the flat or you can have a rent, then only you can use. Otherwise, you cannot. Same way, Oracle has developed, not only Oracle, AWS has built some tools and products. Azure also, Google also, same Oracle. As we are talking about now Oracle, so Oracle has got some tools and products in Oracle Cloud. So those tools and products you won't get outside. You must come to the cloud and start using it. If you say I'll download this tool and install in my server and I'll start working, no, I'm sorry. I'm not giving that license access for download and use it in your server. You come to my server, start using it, generate the output. That output and results you can go for download, but software you cannot. I'm not giving that. Okay. So that's what. If you want to buy a separate server, you can have dedicated server you can take and use it, no problem. But you can't get into your server, my tools and products. This is common nowadays. Almost every company has started building the cloud-based tools and cloud-based products. The reason is very simple. For example, I have 2,000 customers across the world. I developed a product. My 2,000 customers have started using. And some people have satisfied, few people, and many people has given a lot of complaints, lot of suggestions, and lot of expectations for the next release. What I do, I build the product. I'll rectify myself what are the bugs are there. I'll clear it, and I'll do the enhancements. And as per the client's requirement, I'll give next flexibilities, and I'll release into the market. I don't need to go to every out of 2,000 customers, I don't need to install in every customer servers. I just update in my server because everybody is using my cloud. Everybody is using my server. So if I update in my server, then automatically it will be updated to 2,000 people. That is the major advantage for me as well as for customers also. If customer pay the amount today, within 24 hours, they can start working. Earlier, it's not like that. If you buy a tool or product from Oracle company, first you have to get the licensed software. Your DBA will start working. He will install in your server and make sure it is available. And the network people will provide admin people and security. Then you will start working. Now, if you talk about the Oracle tools and products which are there in the cloud, it's already installed. It's already tested with security. Straight away log in and start working. It will save a lot of time, a lot of money, a lot of other issues will be closed automatically because I built the tools and products for thousands of customers. As a company point of view, as a cloud company point of view, I had to be perfect always. Otherwise, everybody will get affected. That's the reason 24 by 7, my company will be on high alert. That's what customers require. Without having any disturbance, in a smoother way, their operations should be completed 24 by 7. So what are tools and products are there? Oracle Analytics Cloud is one of the tool. OICS, Oracle Integration Cloud Services, is one of the tool. VBCS, Visual Builder Cloud Services, is one of the tool. Apex is one of the tool for mobile applications and building other. And we have OBI, Oracle Business Intelligence. It's one of the reporting tool. FW, FAW, Fusion Applications Warehouse. It's one of the reporting tool. These are different tools. And we have the products like NetSuite. ERP product is there. Oracle Fusion Applications. ERP product is there. Then we have Oracle EBS, old version. R12 is there. Then we have Siebel. But these all are old, don't worry. Oracle 23A database. Oracle EPM, Enterprise Performance Management. Oracle Risk Management Cloud Services, RMCs. Lot of other products are there. I just mentioned few, whatever I know it is. It's not only the servers. Cloud means it's not only the servers. You have a lot of tools and products. These tools and products you can't get into your server. Even if you pay a lot of money also, I won't give the license. If you want to use these tools and build the products, you want to use these products and modify according to your requirement, you should be a customer of my cloud and you have to start using the cloud. You have to start using the cloud. That's what the companies, almost not only Oracle, every company same way. Now every company started building the products and tools which are completely cloud based. Maybe some local companies, they might have started building on premises. On premises means you have to pay the money, buy the licensed software, install in your local machine and start working. Okay. But major companies, their tools and products are completely cloud based now, especially cloud with artificial intelligence. If you want AI support for your tool or product, you can't run on your server. It won't work. So definitely you have to go to cloud options. Right. So these are the major advantages with the cloud. That's why many companies are moving nowadays to the cloud and started using the cloud. Yeah. Is clear, everybody? Three major topics I explained. What is cloud? What are different cloud companies we have? And what is Oracle Cloud? Any doubts here, please?
VBC is Oracle old tool or like latest new tool?
It's a tool. Visual Builder Cloud Services. It's Oracle only.
Okay, like it's
It is for
like
form development.
recent. Okay, it's a recent developer or like like
Sorry.
from previously it's a
Uh,
VBC is like they have recently developed or like previously only it is there.
Yeah, previously it was there. It's there since 6, 7 years. No problem.
Okay, from 6 years VBC is.
Yes, yes,
Hello.
yes, yes.
Okay, from 6 years this VBC is like part
Other
of Oracle.
participants are recording audio to use the
Yeah.
summary feature.
Okay, then actually recently when VBS is also came, what is that VBS?
Which one? What is that?
VBS.
No, I don't think so. Maybe they might have missed the letter called C. There is no VBS. VBCS, Visual Builder Cloud Service. There is no
Yeah,
VBS.
VBS is the Visual Builder Studio. That
No,
is there.
we don't call. I don't have idea. It's purely VBCS only, Visual Builder Cloud Service.
Okay, what's the use of this VBCS actually?
It's for page development, front end. If you want to build the pages, then it's going to be used.
Okay, to develop the pages and
Yes,
also
yes,
to
yes,
customize any page development things, we'll do
yes.
the this is the
VBCS.
VBCS.
Yes, yes.
Actually, recently I had VBS like Visual Builder Studio. That one I
Maybe,
asked.
maybe that is a different tool. We don't have that. Yeah. Any
What
other
we are
doubts
going to
here?
learn in this?
I'll come to the next topic. The next topic is that. So now we discussed what is cloud, why we required cloud, why the clients are trying to use the cloud services instead of maintaining their own servers, and what are different cloud companies they have, different cloud companies they have, and how they are providing the services to the customers, maintaining the data centers across the world. We'll have the high-end configuration servers in the data center with cloud computing technology. And it's not only just providing the server on rental basis. We also have the different tools and products. Some customer says that I don't want your tools and products. I just need your server. I have tools, I have products, I'll install and start using. I just need your infrastructure. I need your server. That's it. No problem. You can make the payment and start using my servers. No issue. Some client says that I need, server as well as the tools and products both. Yeah, that's all. In this, we are going to learn this one, Oracle Fusion Applications ERP. Oracle Fusion Applications ERP software. What is mean by ERP? First, we'll see what is ERP. ERP means Enterprise Resource Planning. Enterprise Resource Planning. These all are enterprises. Enterprises are nothing but companies. These all are enterprises. In these enterprises, we have different resources. Resources means employees are resources, company assets, company suppliers, company customers, company financial transactions, day to day, whatever they do. So these all are resource. We have to manage those resources in a proper way. Then only our business will be faster and it will be under control. It will be under control. So that's what we call it as ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, ERP software. There are many ERP softwares in the market. We have SAP is one of the ERP software. Oracle e-business suite. We call it as EBS R12. We have PeopleSoft, JD Edwards ERP software, Siebel ERP software, Workday ERP software, Salesforce ERP software, Oracle Fusion is ERP software. There are number of, those all are local ERPs, but these all are across the world. Across the world, big clients and mid-sized clients are using this ERPs. Out of this, 3 ERPs are merged with Oracle. No more, no more PeopleSoft, JD Edwards and Siebel. And this is also Oracle ERP, latest Oracle Fusion. Okay, so the major ERPs last 25 years. If you look at the ERP industry, started in 1996. And ERP will never die. Even if AI comes, no question of ERP will have the AI integration. AI cannot replace the ERP, no way, because it is an enterprise business, which will be changed regularly, So last 20-25 years, the major competitor for Oracle ERP is SAP. SAP and Oracle, both are competitors. Very good competitors. So SAP, I can say SAP is ahead compared to Oracle. Okay. But after merging this PeopleSoft, JD Edwards and Siebel with Oracle in 2007, Oracle merged these 3 companies. No more PeopleSoft, JD Edwards and Siebel. Maybe some existing customers are there. Obviously, Oracle will provide the support for them. Next, we got Workday. It's excellent ERP, and Salesforce, but both are cloud-based. ERPs. Workday is okay in HCM. Salesforce also is in CRM, but not the other domains, not all the domains. Generally, ERP means we need to have majorly 4 domains. finance, supply chain management, human capital management, CRM. So your ERP software should satisfy your financials, day-to-day transactions, your supply chain management means procurement and sales and inventory, HR, employees data, CRM, call center data. If all the four domains are strong, then we say that is one of the ERP software. We see SAP Finance, SAP HR, SAP CRM, like that. Same way Oracle also, Workday also, Salesforce also. Now you may get some doubt. Oracle is already having their own ERP software, and also they merged three ERP companies. How many ERPs are there total? Four ERP products are there. Then why they developed the new ERP software called Oracle Fusion? Why they built this new ERP? Because already four ERPs are there, and you are already competing with SAP since 20-25 years. Then why you built Oracle Fusion? What is the reason behind that? Is now the clients are looking for the ERP is 100% cloud-based. Their ERP, they want access 100% mobility. Mobility means they want access their application from desktop, from tab piece, and from smartphone. You might have seen nowadays you go to some restaurants or you go for some companies, almost all the sales employees are using tab or smartphone, and they take the request from you, they take the order from you, they deliver, they give the invoice, they give the printout, they take the request, they raise the request, everything they are performing. Some people are using the desktops at reception or billing counter somewhere. It means your application should compatible for all. Client is telling, I use smartphone, I use tab piece, I use desktop, but your application should support all. That's called mobility. Social sites integration. This is very important because all my employees, all my suppliers, all my customers are there in social sites. Not only in Facebook or YouTube or Instagram or LinkedIn. There are hundreds of professional networks, business social platforms are there. I want to have an integration. Why you need integration? Because I want to publish. I want to have a publicity on the social platforms about my products, about my company. I need a feedback from the public about my company, about my product, about my service, about my brand value, about my future innovations. I wanted to be always in touch with the public. Then you must to provide your information on the social integration. For that, I need easy process. Easy process. I don't want to, okay, take the money, copy the data, and go for again post it. No, it should automatically post. For example, I got a requirement in my company today. I want to recruit 5 members. I'll just raise a request. It should automatically post in Naukri.com and 5-6 websites, recruiting websites. Of course, we'll make the payment for them. So, but the transformation should happen. That's why we need social integration and complete analytics. Whatever the ERP software you have, it should compatible for analytics. So far, you have analysis, but now the companies are expecting analytics. Analysis means what happened. Okay, today my manager comes to the branch and is asking, can you tell me what is our business last quarter? That's analysis. I can easily give. I'll just run the report or I'll open the application. I'll search for the data last quarter and I'll provide. That's analysis. What happened? But my top level management is asking board of directors saying that what will be our expectations in 2026 or 2027? Predictions. I'm looking for business predictions. If I want to predict the data, if I want to predict my future business, then I need a lot of past data, history I required about your company and about your business models and what you wanted to do These all things I have to go for apply and analyze, and I have to tell finally this will be your business in future. That's what analytics. If you want to apply the analytics, you need a lot of space and high-end applications, high-end executions. We have to do it. That's a different concept, of course. But clients are expecting that your ERP software should be analytics. Now, the latest version is artificial intelligence. Okay, you are telling that we develop a new ERP. Fine. Is your ERP having AI support? Maybe today I'm not using AI. Maybe after 3 years I will use. But I'm investing today some crores of money on the software. If you say that it is not having AI features, maybe after 3 years, if I require AI features, then what I have to do? I have to shut down the software and again I have to buy the AI-based ERP, right? The question definitely it comes, whether they use it or not. See, you are going to car showroom and you want to buy a car. Customer is asking 4x4 is there, whether he will use it or not. Why they will buy the 4x4 option? Four-wheel drive. Maybe after 2 years, I'm planning to go for, uh, off-road. That time definitely I need 4x4, right? But if I don't buy the car with 4x4 feature, then I feel bad after 2 years or 3 years or after 5 years. Then what I have to do? I have to sell this car and again I have to buy. Same thing AI also. AI is one of the feature which is integrated in the ERP softwares. Not only in ERP, anywhere. Customer, like we develop a website. Sir, why don't you develop a website with SEO enabled? What is mean by SEO? Service enabled optimizer, which will give the best result, best search. Whether you use SEO enable option or not, definitely will go for SEO based. So same thing AI also here. That's why almost every company has started implementing the AI in ERP softwares.
Sir, can you
Otherwise,
please give us small KPI on AI, like actually what is AI, how it works?
it will be discussed on tomorrow or day after tomorrow class. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. So these are the features the clients are expecting nowadays. These are the features clients are expecting nowadays. If your salesperson goes to the client saying that we built a new ERP software which is excellent for the current generation, definitely these questions they will ask them. Is your ERP is having 100% cloud flexibility? How about mobility? How about social integration? How about analytics or analysis? How about AI? If all these features are there, then we'll sit and see the demo. Next level. If you say any one of this option is not there, they may doubt. Okay, let's see. Because we wanted to have all these features, because which is mandatory nowadays. If I am not using these features, my competitor will use. Their business will be boosted up. My business will be down, right? So that's why the companies are expecting. But these all features not available in this ERP. Just now I said, when there are 4 ERP softwares last 20 years with Oracle company, then why they built a new ERP software called Oracle Fusion Applications ERP? Why they built right from the scratch? The reason is Oracle Fusion Applications are having 100% all these features. That's why Oracle says that this is next generation ERP software. Next generation ERP software. It just started. Oracle Fusion era is just started. Next 20 years, huge market will be there in Oracle Fusion, because all the customers, whoever are using this ERP products last 20 years, they must migrate to Oracle Fusion latest version. Maybe they can migrate in next 2 years or next 5 years or next 10 years, but they have to migrate. It's mandatory, no option. You don't have option. Why we need to migrate? Why don't we use the old software? For example, you go to some bank, new bank launched. You went to bank branch and you said that I want to open account. They said that you don't get SMS alert. How come it is possible? Without SMS feature, how I can open? Because this is a fast world, right? With you don't have option to get email. Oh, how come it is? Debit card you can use only in my ATM centers. You cannot use other ATM because that technology we don't have. Then definitely his customer will be there with that company because others are providing. Others are giving, you will get SMS, you will get WhatsApp, you will get email. You can use my ATM card anywhere in the world without any transaction fees. Like that, lot of offers they are giving because they have the infrastructure. They have that software. They are using that software. They are able to provide. But you do not have. Then you lost the customer because your competitor is providing the best service to the customer. It's very common. It's a basic thing, right? That's the reason technology is always required for the customers. Because if they wanted to compete with their customers, competitors, definitely they need to go ahead. So this is what the expectation now. SAP is having these features. Workday also is okay. Salesforce also is okay. Now Oracle Fusion applications, the latest software, ERP software. Workday is good in HCM, not in much. In fact, now it is crossed. Oracle has crossed Workday also. Salesforce is okay in CRM, not in finance and other. SAP is in supply chain, but Oracle Fusion is good in finance, number one, SCM as well as HCM also. CRM, no doubt. Salesforce is the number one CRM software across the world. No question of SAP, no question of Oracle, someone else. That's brand, no doubt about it. Nobody can compete over there. When we talk about finance, Oracle Fusion, finance and HCM, both human capital. Earlier, Workday was there. The major problem with Workday is they don't have many service providers. They don't have partners across the world. It's as simple as, let's say I'm going to buy a car and client is telling that car owner company, branded company, they are telling only 5 servicing centers are there in India. Then you will think definitely. So if I get stuck somewhere, where I have to go, right? So if you say 50 servicing centers are there, you get struck up immediately, or people will come to you and pick you immediately and resolve the issues. Definitely customer will be interested, right? Same way, Workday has got very less partners. Oracle, thousands of partners across the world. Almost every level 5 company is a partner, level 4 also. Hundreds of startups started in India. Hundreds of startup companies started in India for Oracle Fusion Cloud applications. Okay, so that's why Oracle Fusion is the next generation ERP. Just started this market. Next 10-15 years, huge market will be there for Oracle Fusion applications, ERP software. People who are working in PeopleSoft, EBS, JD Edwards, and Siebel, definitely they have to learn Oracle Fusion. It's mandate. Mandate. Because almost all the customers will definitely migrate from their on-premise ERP software to Oracle Fusion. Because definitely Oracle will give the best price for them because they are existing customers. And you will have the seamless integration. For example, you are using PeopleSoft. No, I am fed up with Oracle. I decided to go with SAP. Then again, Oracle architecture integrations are different and SAP is different. You need to put a lot of money, a lot of time. Right? Again, you have to go for migrate. But here, Oracle to Oracle only, right? Oracle products to Oracle product. It will be easy. Majority of the customers will go ahead with this upgradation, migrations. Okay, so that's about Oracle Fusion Applications ERP. So what is Oracle Fusion Applications? It is one of the ERP software. What is meant by ERP? Enterprise Resource Planning. If the clients are doing some business to maintain their accounts, to maintain their procurement and sales and inventory, to maintain their employee salaries, employee options, employee timesheets, employee performance management, employee compensation, employee benefits, employee recruitment processes, all this managed in HCM. And CRM, call center, it's a customer relationship management. How you will maintain the relationship with the customer, that comes under the CRM. Okay, so we are talking about HCM. It's one of the best module has got success. Okay, so now we are talking about Oracle Fusion Applications HCM. Fusion Applications HCM. Okay, one person cannot learn all the domains, not possible. Maybe you have to learn finance or supply chain or HCM or CRM. Of course, CRM we can completely forget. It's actually failed, even as a Oracle developer or Oracle trainer. I should not tell that word, but no way. That's we can cut down. Very 1% success. Now the success is in three. First place finance and HCM. Second place is supply chain. Okay. Now we are going to conduct this training for Oracle Fusion Applications HCM. So we started with first Oracle Cloud. In that, lot of tools and products, of course. In that, Oracle Fusion Applications ERP software, Fusion Finance, Fusion Supply, Fusion HCM, Fusion CRM. In that, we are talking about Fusion HCM, Human Capital Management. If client says that I have 7,000 employees, or 70,000 employees, or 7 lakhs employees, doesn't matter. If you want to maintain your employees' data, employee hierarchies data, employee locations, assignments information, transfers, terminations, rehirings, rejoinings, salaries, structures, payrolls, payroll terminations, rollbacks, all this thousands of transactions day to day, we can manage in HCM. In human capital management, we can do. What Oracle suggests, if you have minimum 5,000 employees, you can suggest you can go for this ERP. Less than 5,000 means if the clients are having less than 5,000 employees, they may refer some local ERPs or some other small ERPs. But definitely, of course, some customers there, Kalyan Jewelers is there. They have around 2,000 employees, but their business is in 1,000 crores. They don't bother about using this Oracle ERP software. Okay, so up to the client, of course. Okay, so in India, I can tell you some examples who are using this software. You might have seen Act Fiber Internet, almost every home. One of the best internet services. Act Fiber Net. They have 8,500 employees in India. Act Fiber. Internet services. They use this Fusion HCM. ICICI Bank will use this Fusion. Lenskart, they use Fusion HCM. Narayana Educational Institutions, they use this Fusion software. Vodafone will use. Airtel will use this software. Reliance Digital will use this. Sugna Chicken Centers, they use this software. Visakha Industries, they use, which I know it. There are some thousands of customers started using this in India. These all are small clients. ICICI Bank, I think around 38,000. I was part of that implementation earlier in 2017. It was very good, successful product. Okay. So that's what actually the customers will start using this application. In Fusion Applications HCM, we have majorly 8 modules. What are the different modules we have? We have global HR, we have payroll, we have absence management, we have talent management, we have ORC, recruitment cloud, we have time and labor, we have compensation, we have benefits module. 8 modules we have mainly. Some customers will implement only global HR and payroll. Some customers will implement global HR, payroll, and absence. Some customers will implement only global HR and ORC. They said that payroll, I have separate software. It's up to the client requirement. Of course, global HR is mandate. That is the base. There only you will maintain your employees' data, your enterprise structure data. So you can't leave that. It's mandatory. Okay. So 8 modules are there. So these are the 8 modules we have. Let's say your client is ICICI client. ICICI client. I have 35,000 employees. I want to use these 3 softwares, global HR, payroll, and options, means leave management. Employees will apply for the leave. Managers will approve or reject. They keep it on hold. They ask for some more information. Employee plans, leaves, okay, leave disbursals. A lot of transactions will be doing. When ICICI has taken these 3 modules, what ICICI Bank, ICICI is our customer, right? Project. What ICICI will do is they give this project to TCS or Infosys or Wipro or Accenture or Oracle itself. Oracle also do the project. It's as simple as you buy a car and you want to give for accessories in the showroom itself. No, in showroom it is cost. It takes time. It's difficult for us to discuss with them. We go for outside. There are many people who are ready to give the best price, best options, a lot of good service. Maybe you can look for the partners and other. That's as simple as. Let's say ICICI Bank is interested with Wipro. They decided, okay, we'll give this project to Wipro. Now, what Wipro has to do, Wipro company will start recruiting the software engineers and make sure that the project has to be completed. Now, Wipro will start the recruiting for functional consultants, technical consultants. Functional consultants and technical consultants. Wipro will start recruiting the functional team and technical team. If you want to complete the ERP softwares with 2 modules or 3 modules or 8 modules or even 1 module, you should have functional and technical, 2 people. Maybe you are a senior, you know both. You can do functional and technical. It's an 7 years, 8 years experience. That's a different case. Techno-functional we'll talk about. So generally, functional consultants and technical consultants will be there. So functional consultant will do the functional setups and configurations, no coding at all. It's a zero coding. Technical consultant means complete coding, SQL queries, SQL language, PL SQL, basics, and data migrations, a little bit calculations, a lot of things will be there, technical. So they go for recruit the functional and technical. High demand will be always for functional. Many people will work with functional. Openings will be more in functional, bit less in technical. Okay. Why it is more in functional, why it is in less in technical, I'll explain you tomorrow session. Tomorrow session, I'll go for explain. Okay. So that's how actually the project comes to the companies, and the companies will start recruiting the people. Now, if you want to apply for a job for this functional consultant, you should be clear at least 3 modules. Some companies will ask for 4 modules. Okay, so we are going to learn first 4 modules. We are going to learn first 4 modules. Global HR, payroll, options management, talent management. These 4 modules we are going to learn. How about technical? Okay, this is fine. This is functional, and we are talking about functional modules. How about technical?
Sir, you will be going to cover first 4 modules only.
Yes.
Okay.
Technical.
So there
EA
only
reports.
there only employee joining, movement, and termination, everything comes into the picture. Their modules.
Yes. Yes.
What's that module, sir? Global HR or any other thing?
Global HR only.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is functional modules. This is functional modules, and this is going to be technical modules. So technical module means BI reports, OTBI dashboards, OTBI dashboards. Then personalizations. personalizations. Then HCM, data load, HCM, data extracts. Okay. Of course, Redwood and AI, that is a common thing. Functional consultant should know, technical consultant should know it. We'll be discussing that here. So these are the functional modules we have. These are the technical modules we have. We will be learning functional modules, which is 100%. 100% means end-to-end implementation we'll be discussing with these four modules. It's not only me, any institution will go for it. Same, 4 modules. This is live.
Yeah, hello?
Give me 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can raise the doubt. Give me 5
Hello?
minutes. Give me 5 minutes. Please keep it on mute. After 5 minutes, you can raise the doubt. Yeah. So these 4 modules, not only me, any other institution will provide the same. Global HR, payroll, absence management, and talent management. And as soon as the module is completed, what is the major benefit with RTL online trainings and placements? And why RTL is different compared to other institutions? What other institutions will not provide, what RTL will provide is Global HR module. Let's say we have completed. Immediately, Global HR module, FAQ, questions, Udemy course, you are going to get free of cost. This Udemy course you are going to get here free of cost. Same thing, as soon as payroll module completed, payroll module FAQ. As soon as absence management module, FAQ. That also Udemy course. Same thing, talent management. What is the meaning of Udemy course? It's an online platform. I have published my courses here already. Just 1 minute. This is very important. You need to listen and understand the major advantage with RTL here. I'm not able to log out here. Let me just do it. Yeah. So in RTL, as soon as one module is completed, I will give you the interview questions and answers, Oracle Fusion, FAQs. First module, Global HR is completed. What we have to prepare in the Global HR? In the interviews, what they'll ask, the question and answers with navigation. So it's not like, okay, question is this and answer is this. For example, the question is, what is position synchronization? What are the levels you will do the position synchronizations? Position synchronization is basically synchronizing the position attributes while hiring the employees. We will go for synchronize these attributes automatically. The data will be populated. That we do it at 2 levels, enterprise level and legal entity level. That's the answer. Generally, FAQs means entry questions and answers means like this question will be there and answers will provide. But in RTL, I will be manually showing you where exactly you will do. Of course, we will be covering that. That already we covered. But when the question they asked, I will be showing you practically where exactly you will do the synchronization and where exactly it will be affected. That navigation I will be showing. So these 4 Udemy courses are going to be useful for your interview preparation. So non-RTL students, they need to pay the money and they have to buy it. 800 rupees they have to pay for every course. But you are joining in RTL in this course, this all will be free of cost. It means 800 rupees you have saved. All these 4. Next. As I said, these 4 modules we are going to learn. Okay, I'm giving the training 4 modules. Perfect. But when you see LinkedIn or Naukri.com, they are asking, we are looking for global HR, payroll, and OTL. 3 modules. Expert in global HR and payroll, at least basic knowledge in OTL. That will be better. That will be added advantage. That's the job posting is there. What you will do? We learned here, not only RTL, any other institutions, these 4 modules. You cannot apply for that because you are in 0. You are 0 in OTL module. In OTL module, you are 0. Not even basics, you know. Right. So that's why what we done from RTL last 6 months. There's all 4 courses, ORC, OTL, compensation, benefits, all these Udemy courses I am going to give free of cost, which is cost of 2000 rupees in non-RTL students. You can see that. Let me show you. ORC module, right? You can search in Udemy. Fusion Cloud ORC. I've already published. Very rare case, of course. These requirements are not. No. Okay. So this is very rare case, which is cost of 2000. For other institution people who has learned these 4 modules, if they want to update ORC module or OTL or compensation or benefits, they have to pay this amount and they have to enter. This is the amount you are going to save when you join with RTL, which you never get with any other institution. You can always compare and attend and cross-check with them. Okay. So there are 2 reasons why we are providing this option. Many people will learn the course. They do not know how to prepare for interviews. They do not know how to prepare the resume. They do not know how they have to crack the interview. That's why we given module wise. It's not just theory, question and answer, just reading. Okay, telling the answer is also is good. But we went extreme level and we decided to give the navigations also. It means exactly I'm showing you this is the place where you have to do the setup. This is what the answer you are supposed to give in the interview. I'm showing you practically. So it will remind you the complete training. So that's the RTL beauty which you are going to get it from here and other modules. So you learned today these 4 modules and you entered into the market. This all Udemy courses are lifelong access. You work 2 years and after some time you want to learn ORC. Yeah, you can do. Now itself also you can learn this all because it's very difficult for a candidate to learn more than 4 modules at a time. I also accept. But at least basics, you have the option. See, some people want to learn, some people they don't want. It's up to their requirement. Okay. So that's the reason we provided this Udemy courses here. That's what here. And another one is a lab coordinator facility. As a trainer, I'm also working with 2 clients. One is real-time one job, another one is a freelance. It's difficult for me to invest 30 minutes, 20 minutes or 1 hour with you guys in case if you get some doubt offline in the sense after the class, you say that we will be having generally WhatsApp group. Okay. You raised some issue. I can tell you, go here and do that. Still, it's not clear. Then it's very difficult for me because I'm a real-time working person. I can't spend 15, 20 minutes. Okay, connect to Zoom and share your screen and I will see what is the issue and resolve. Okay, no problem. Even if I'm not available, my coordinator, lab coordinator will clear those things. He will clear. He will help you to clear those. Of course, if you are not clear with the concept, again, I will be there. In the next class, you can rise. But at that point of time, you got some error and you are not able to go to the next. This also you won't get in any other institution. WhatsApp groups are common, of course. Every institution will provide. That's, I don't want to say that it's one of the benefit from RTL, but it's okay. But this all features you never get any other institution. That's the major. It means as I said in the beginning of the demo itself today, I said RTL has designed a separate process, separate strategy for the training as well as for the placement. The training will be provided by others, but the training process as well as the placement process in a sequence of steps we designed it. Okay. So that's what we can say from the RTL point of view here. Let me just say, yeah, someone was asking some doubt. Please go ahead.
Sir, I didn't find that Udemy courses for OTL and benefit and compensation.
Yeah, you only for
No,
the RTL students will give the access.
no. Even I am checking for the courses also in Udemy. I'm not
That's
getting.
what I'm telling,
Oh, okay.
brother.
Only for
Are you
RTL students
the
you will get the.
yes,
Okay. Got it.
yes,
Actually, I am one of your old students, sir, when you were training for Oracle Technical in ESI.
yes. And okay, HCM students, whoever join into them, we will give
Oh,
the only for their logins.
okay.
Hmm? Yeah.
And what about this one, sir? That a cloud access for everyone will give the access
Yeah,
for
yeah. Cloud access we will give for 9 months.
9 months.
Yeah.
Okay.
That other institutions also providing, no problem. That is common.
Okay.
So what we can say proudly from RTL is this.
Mm.
This is what we can say proudly from RTL. So
For
server
only who
access,
join, for only who joined in this RTL technology only, they will get
yes, yes,
like
they'll
they will
get
get access to OTL, right?
yes, remaining
For
people
example,
they
if
have
we
to.
wanted to know, actually, like I'm from out of the RTL student, like if I wanted to buy OTL in Udemy, like can I buy for 2000?
Right now we are not giving, only ORC we given for the outsiders, maybe in
Okay,
January. Yeah,
okay. For OTL also, we have not given for the outside, right?
yeah.
Okay,
Maybe in
like and one
January
more.
we will give. Yeah.
Okay. And like one more thing, like you are saying that like you will give access to the core HR agents, like payroll and talent management, like training videos, no? Those are like this right now. What you are teaching the live sessions you will give, or else
Yes.
previous recordings you will give.
No. It is live only. Live sessions only. These 4 modules
Yeah.
complete live
o-
these modules, and these 4 modules are sufficient for job apply in the market.
Okay.
But
That
some job opportunities, they may expect some basic idea about these
yes, yes.
modules. So that time
Okay.
this will be helpful.
Okay. These are pre-recorded videos,
Yeah,
and but you are
yes,
giving the
yes.
okay,
Pre-recorded
but
with the latest videos, latest version only.
okay, but for core HR, absence,
Hmm.
payroll, and talent also, for
It's
the live session recordings only will do it.
yes, Google Drive. Through Google Drive, we are going to provide you. You can download those videos.
Okay, the live session recordings only.
Yes.
Actually, I thought the previous recordings only you will do for the like.
No. Then that is the recorded videos. This is live.
Okay, right now, like we are in December first, no? This recorded videos only you will give to us.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir, shall I ask a question in Telugu?
Mm.
Generally, I don't entertain.
Okay. If we learn this entire course now, we can able to sustain for like a 3 years experience. If we put means we can able to survive that.
We are putting 5 actually. We are
Okay.
putting 5 right now, and the market right now 16 lakhs to 22. That's what we are getting the offers with
We
5
don't
years.
need any someone people to help us or something. It's not required, right?
Not required because I'm giving all the things, right? So I'm giving the training and I'm giving the resume preparations, interview preparations, and our lab coordinator will be there and issues are there, we'll be clearing. You are attending for the interviews. Today you attended interview and around 12 questions they asked you. 6 questions you answered. 6 questions you don't know the answer. Immediately put it in WhatsApp group. I will go for give the reply. So then you can be prepared those things and be ready for the next interview. Like that we'll go.
Oh, okay. Or the technical part, you told me that BA reports and OTBA reports. So you
Basics will be learning.
basics in the sense you will not teach that query
I'll
builder.
teach. I'll teach, but 1, 2 examples. We don't much concentrate in depth. BA reports, 2 reports, dashboards, 2 dashboards, 2 personalizations, 2 objects loading, 2 objects extract, couple of Redwood and AI. That's how we will go.
Okay, if we learn that 4 modules, love modules, now we can able to apply jobs, right?
Yeah, 4 is fine. Generally 3 modules expected. Generally
Okay.
3 modules only master, but 4 will. Fourth module talent management is not that much complex, so everybody will learn.
Okay, okay. I need to know another thing and all. Like technical module you told na, one madam told that March or June you are going to start that
That
to.
is different. That is different. Pass technical.
Okay, it will be
That is
start on
that
when?
will have something integrations and all. So what exactly that in the tomorrow demo class you will come to know.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah. So
Yes, sir.
today, yeah,
Actually,
go
if
ahead.
we like, actually, if we join this course, like we want to keep like 5 years experience, 4 years experience, no? Like in that way, the how the 4 years and 5 years experience will have the knowledge, that much knowledge will give to us, that
Yes,
much level.
that's what we are going to do the work and assignments.
Okay, how the 5 years experience candidate will do the work, like that much 5 years level experience knowledge you will give to us, right?
That type of work assignment you can do that. Maybe 1 or 2 hours delayed in the delivery, like really 5 years worked person, let's say one task is completed in 4 hours, but you will do it in 6 hours. That will
Okay,
be the difference.
but that
Maybe
much
you need
level
some help.
knowledge, okay,
Yes,
but that
definitely.
much level knowledge you will give to us, right?
Yes, definitely.
Okay, and actually, like, I'm planning to join in. Yeah, okay. Like we can discuss in the last, like
Yes.
1-to-1 we can
Yeah.
discuss after.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, go ahead.
So actually, any coding is involved in this, or
No,
only it is
no,
just a
no
tool?
coding, no coding, zero. If you are going for this position, if you are applying HCM technical, yes, it's required.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir,
So
will
this
you
is
Technical
going?
in the sense, how much it will come, sir? Means only API calling like that, or how it will be technical?
no SQL, PLSQL, HCM extracts. This itself is very complex. Fast formulas writing, a lot of things.
Okay.
Data
Sir,
migration, HDL.
another one thing, I didn't join at starting. I later joined, or 15 minutes later I joined. I just want to know a brief about you, sir.
Yeah, myself, this is having total 21 years of experience in ERPs, Oracle mainly, in the development, training, and placement. Last 10 years into the cloud HCM. And we are having 45,000 around YouTube subscribers in Oracle Fusion Cloud exclusively. Mainly, we are into the placement. Our name itself here, we written the placements. We are not just only training. Of course, you just want to take a training and take the resume. No, I will apply myself. I just need interview questions and answers. Okay, no problem. No, everything I prepared, I am good. I want placement also. Yes, we will provide. This word you don't find other institutions at this point of time. Maybe some few people might be providing, but many of the people will not worry about your placement process. But we are here to do the placement, and of course, we'll charge it. There is a definitely there will be a placement charge that you can communicate with our admin. Okay.
Okay.
No problem. I
But
want to
100 for
get place myself. I wanted to get place myself, and yeah, we are ready to give the training, resume preparation, interview preparations, FAQ questions, everything will be given. Yeah.
100%
And you're
placements
working,
is there,
sir?
right?
Yeah, 100% placement is there. You communicate with our
Like
admin. This is the
placement
number.
assistance or like placement guarantee? Okay.
Yes, you can communicate with our admin. They will explain you.
No. Actually, I'm asking like placement assistance or
That's
like
what,
placement.
brother, I should not tell as a trainer. As
Okay.
admin person has to tell those things.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Sir, within
currently you
2
are
months
working.
or
Yeah, I work for MNC company and one freelance, two companies, two jobs I'm doing now.
so these training sessions and placement sessions are within 2 months or just training
2
sessions only 2 months?
months. 2 months. Training sessions will be 2 months, maybe 1 week additional. For example, we are starting December 1st. February 10th will be the last. Before that only we complete. Training, resume preparations, everything. And after that, you will start preparing your resume, applying for the jobs, asking me the doubts and clarifications, and again going through the questions. And this is a continuation process, right? As I said, we'll have WhatsApp group. It's always a continuation. You will have always an integration. It's your interest, how you are asking me the questions. I'll be giving the answers.
Hi, sir.
Yes, please.
Yeah, I have myself Divya. So
Yeah.
I have 7 years of experience in recruitment.
Okay.
So I worked till last December 2024. Currently, I'm not working for 1 year.
Hmm.
So I'm purely fresher for this Oracle Fusion and all. Completely, I'm fresher for this skills
Okay.
and all. So can I use my past experience or else
Yes,
client
yes,
any?
we can use it.
We can use, no, sir.
Yes, yes, no problem. We have
Okay.
to. I will also explain based on your previous experience in the training. I will explain individually. Okay,
Okay.
one person says that I am from non-IT. Okay, I will explain to them. You put the experience like this, you
Okay.
claim like this, and you apply this. We
Okay.
will be giving that resume classes, resume preparation. I will give one-to-one all the doubts to everybody.
Okay, sir. Thank you so
That's
much.
what as I said, this lab coordinator, which is very
Mhm.
key role. This
Okay.
person will give you the complete guidance.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you for
yeah,
this.
Hi, sir.
yes,
Myself, Shrisha.
yeah.
So these mock interviews would be happening after completing the each each
Each
module
module,
or
each module.
each module.
Yeah,
Okay, okay.
yeah.
And one thing I want to say, I'm from, as you said, I'm not from non-IT background.
Hmm.
Basically, I'm work as a teacher previously.
Okay.
So this would be the right platform for me to learn and
Yeah, no problem. Everybody can learn. People who has to, especially next two classes will decide you whether you can learn, whether you can survive or not. Because today class, it was complete theoretically. I started right from the basics because many people from non-IT and many people from non-cloud technologies, they must have an idea why everybody is talking about cloud and who are the market and what are tools and products and the benefits of the cloud and different ERPs. Okay, what is Fusion applications? What are the things we have in Fusion applications? Why we are learning HCM and what are the modules? Functional is there, technical is there, and advantage of RTL. This all I given complete theoretical part. Next two classes are very important, complete practical. I take the real time scenario and assignment. I will practically execute. When I do that execution, as a student, you are going to listen and you will feel that whether you can learn it or not, whether you can survive it or not. Based on that, you have to take a decision.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sure. Yeah. That's as a trainer, I like to give the complete, practical oriented assignments in the demo itself so that you will come to know, okay, this I am able to this technology is interesting and I am able to understand what you are telling and your teaching also is okay, fine. So that you will be clear and then you can go for join from the next class. That's why we kept three demo sessions. And this I'm going to post it in YouTube, this demo session. All the three I will post it in demo session. Okay. In another 15, 20 minutes, you will see this video in the YouTube. I request you to subscribe for RTL Online Trainings and Placements YouTube channel to get the latest updates, even walk-ins, whatever we got. Recently, we got walk-ins in Chennai for Changes Company, 1 to 7 years of experience that, yeah. So this is all you can get it.
Sir, will you going to cover the table names also while giving the
Yes,
confidence
yes.
center?
PA reports. Here we will be covering.
No, only just table names. Suppose once I create the employee, so we have to check that employee details at backend.
Yes, yes. There
Yeah.
are around 17 important tables that
Ah.
I'll give the list.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Fine, guys. Thank you. Thanks for your time. Thanks for your valuable time. We
Sir,
thought
I
of
have
1
one
hour.
doubt.
Yeah, go ahead.
Actually, yeah. Actually, I want to learn this Redwood and AI agents only. Like,
Only Redwood and AI learning, we don't have much syllabus over there. Okay. So the entire application, whatever you are using Redwood and AI, it will be there. Okay. It's one of the future.
okay, like actually they have implemented this new one, no, this AI agents and Oracle. Yeah,
Yes.
can you please some KT on that
Yes.
of the AI?
Redwood will be learning 2 classes. AI will be learning 2 classes.
Okay, in the last, right?
Yes.
Okay, for Redwood you will explain 2 classes, but AI 2 classes.
Yes.
Okay, can you teach it separately Redwood and AI?
No, that is not there. That much content is not there actually.
Then why the Oracle people is like they are giving the like advertisement like AI agents in each and everything they are showing their AI agents only.
Yeah, that's
And
what.
someone
Current call recording ended.
That's what they are learning. They ask for the different options.
yeah.
Yeah.
Actually like I'm I want to learn this Redwood and AI and remotely. So and in the earlier they mentioned like this course is completely for Redwood and AI.
Whatever we are doing, complete it is Redwood only. Whatever the agents are there in HCM, that we are going to learn.
Other
Maybe
participants are recording audio to use the
maybe some architect level people, they want to suggest for their clients where the AI will be useful, what type of agents required. Maybe that is for the senior level people, they may ask for the learning.
Mhm. Okay, you will say 2 classes for Redwood, 2 classes for AI, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, but the what the configuration we are doing, all the configuration you will show in Redwood only, or like in the responsive AI?
No, there is no response UI. Complete Redwood only now. Everybody has to use Redwood only.
Okay, for configuration also we should use like
Everything
Redwood
is
only.
Redwood. Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now you will teach us in complete, like for example, this global HR absence. For configuration also you will teach us in Redwood only.
Yes, yes. Not only me, any trainer. Not only me, any institution, any trainer has to teach only in Redwood. Not only me, everybody has to teach in that only. Because you won't get the old version, right? Because you are
Yeah.
connecting to the cloud. So not only me, everybody will teach in the Redwood only.
But right now some are teaching in like responsive AI skills only.
No, I don't think so. Because it will not open. Maybe 1 or 2 pages might be open, but all are Redwood only.
Okay, by default they like converted the responsive AI to Redwood, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Or future.
Yes.
The total configuration and also individual transaction, everything will do in Redwood.
Yes.
Okay.
Fine, guys. Thank you. Let's
But
see
you
you
won't teach
tomorrow.
this separately, right? This Redwood and AI, you won't teach separately, right?
No, no.
Including all this course only, you will teach it.
Yes, yes.
Okay, can you please give me like small KT and like AI agents, like how it work, how we
No,
should learn the
I
AI?
can communicate with admin. They will tell you. Okay.
No, actually, this AI agent have some doubt on this. What are the AI agents actually?
We'll see that tomorrow because we thought of 1 hour. It's almost 1 hour 40 minutes. Okay. We'll
Okay.
see that. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Tomorrow or day after tomorrow, sometime we'll see. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Let's see you tomorrow on the same time, same meeting ID, and you will
Sir,
find
hello.
this video. Yeah, we'll discuss tomorrow, bro. It's 1 hour 40 minutes. Thank you.
Oh, just one question. Offline sessions will be there, anything?
No,
Only
no,
online.
no offline.
Only on.
Yeah. Thank you.